me record it as we go?
Alright, I think we're recording now.
Yeah. Yep. What's today's date? May of 2010.
Yeah, look how broke up it is up in there.
Would you like some water or something brought back? Okay. All right.
Look out across the pasture at the pond.
Yeah.
Where's this saw at?
Okay, let's look on the left side. Well, when we come back, we need to look on the right side. Keep looking though, I don't know for sure where it's at. Have you recorded up at her house yet?
No, I don't think so.
You put this on my Facebook.
I sure hadn't seen his saw.
I hope somebody didn't take it. I'm hoping he saw
Why
it on
don't
the way
you round
down.
the kids up and tell Trudy I put a couple of gallons worth of gas in here.
Okay.
Because I think she
was
worried that she didn't have enough.
All right. You wanna? Did you film over there or?
No, up in there I sure did.
Yeah. Cut up through that side, or?
I don't know that you can get up in there at all. I don't know.
I don't know either. All right.
I know we walked up through there.
Yeah. There you go.
I'll let you do that. You can round the girls up.
Okay.